Hi guys, welcome back to the Joel's Garage. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to change your battery on your Lexus key. I believe this is the second gen Lexus key. Alright, there's no tools necessary. You only need your key and a new battery. This is the battery we'll be using. This is the CR1632. Right here. It's the battery code CR1632. Okay. Change the battery, there are no tools necessary. You only need this key right here, and there's a clip right, like a notch or a clip, and just press it down and pull forward. And there's be a prying area right here in the middle. Use your key, just pry upwards, and it should pop open like that. And part like this. Oops. Very easy. And take this off. Here you see the yes, an energizer in it. CR1632. We'll replace it with this one. Same one, CR1632. Just pry this open. There you go. We're in the same direction. Just press forward. Okay, like this. And put it back. We're gonna face it like this. Like that. Very easy, straightforward. Press and put the spare key. That's it, and that's how you change your battery on your Lexus. Alright, if you like the video, please like and subscribe. It will help the channel a lot. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.